welcome back to my channel and welcome all new subscribers. In this video, this is going to be a DIY of interlocks. This is my client and I'm going to show you her interlock journey from start to finish from 2017 up until now. Now, it took me years to talk her into getting interlocks because I felt that it was best for her hair, and now she's loving it. So, take a look. Now, this was in June the 21st, 2017 when I started her interlocks. Ooh, now I told you I was going to take you through her journey, but you got to remember, this client is driving from Birmingham, Alabama to me in Georgia. So yes, it is a journey, but this is 3 months later, September the 6th, 2017. Now, after I finished interlocking her hair, I put some mousse on it and then I rolled her hair up in pipe cleaners to get this effect right here, and I'm going to show you the pipe cleaners that I use. This is May 29, 2019. Now fast forward to October the 3rd, 2020. This is how long her hair has gotten. Now I'm re-interlocking her hair. Right now I'm spraying on some conditioner, leave-in conditioner by Nature All, because I like the hair feel. Plus she already has shampooed her hair before she got here. Now this is at least 2.5 months of new growth that I have to interlock and retighten. Now this is the Nature All. This is the product I use, the Nourishing Avocado Leave-In Conditioner. This is some good stuff, and this is what she uses as well. So here I'm just going to speed up the process and show you a little bit of the interlock process. So you will be seeing it from start to finish. Now she has about an inch, maybe an inch and a half of new growth. So this whole process took me about 2.5 to 3 hours to complete. The tool I'm using is a latch hook tool to interlock, going in and out. So I go clockwise and then I go counterclockwise. And then the excess hair, I go ahead and twist it in so her lock can be nice and smooth. So it won't have no frizzies. Now I'm at the top of the crown right now, and as you can see, I am almost done, and this is what it's looking like. Now I'm finishing up her locks, and now I'm all done. And this is the finished product of what it looks like. So thank you very much for watching. This is the DIY of my interlocks and my client. Like I said, she's doing really well. Her locks are coming along well, and they're getting really, really long. But thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Don't forget to tell the love and you love them, because tomorrow's not promised to anyone. Stay thankful and grateful, safe and healthy. Until next time, ciao for now.